Welcome to the unboxing portion of our 3D digital printing solution. My name is Seth, and I'm going to show you the steps on how to successfully get your printer up and running. After removing wrapping or straps from the shipping container, start off by taking off the top of the crate, followed by each metal bracket. The metal brackets are easily pulled off or shimmied off the crate. Once all the brackets are off, you may now take off the wooden sides. Inside, you will find the 3D Max printer with important information that needs to be saved, a resin reservoir, and your standard accessories. With the 3D Cure, you will find important documents to keep on file, a power supply with cables, and the 3D Cure. Remove the 3D Cure out of the box and place on a flat, stable surface. Inside the 3D Wash box, you will find important information to keep on file, the wash tank for the 3D Wash, a power supply with cables, and the 3D Wash. Remove the 3D Wash out of the box and place on a flat, stable surface. Make sure to place all the hardware on a flat, stable surface. Powering the 3D Max is easy. It comes with a power cord that is plugged in the back of the machine. Its power button is right underneath the power plug in the back. Once the 3D Max is powered, we need to calibrate it. Calibrating the 3D Max is a simple and fast process. Start off by inserting the calibration holder in the 3D Max. The ends of the holder should line up perfectly with the rails in the 3D Max. Next, gently place the calibration unit in the holder and use the end of it to plug into the 3D Max's USB port in the front. From the main menu, click on Calibration on the bottom left corner. Click on the blue circle and the 3D Max will walk you through each step of the calibration sequence. Calibrating only takes a few seconds. The 3D Wash and 3D Cure both come with their own power cord. Plug the cord in the back of the machine. The plug should click into place. Click down on the red button to turn on the machine. Now that we are set up, we are ready to print. We already have a model print job ready. Always shake your resin before pouring it into a resin tank. You want to ensure that the resin is properly mixed. Evenly pour the resin into the resin tank. The tank should be filled to about 40% capacity so it does not overfill. After inserting the resin tank into the 3D Max, you scan the bottle of the resin being used, in this case, LuxPrint Model. Each bottle comes with its own RFID tag. Click OK to confirm. This will write the LuxPrint Model resin information onto the resin tank inserted. Insert the bill plate by lining up the rods on the back with the holes in the printer. The bill plate will slide into place. Use the knob on top to secure the bill plate to the 3D Max. Tighten until snug. To start a print job, from the main menu, click on Start Job in the bottom right corner. Click on the play button on the next screen. This will take you to your job menu where you can scroll through all the jobs loaded into your printer. Highlight the job you want to print, then click Confirm. With each print job, a screen will display the progress of the print job. You can also click on Job Details to display details such as how many layers are left in a print or how much time is remaining. Once the final layer is printed, the print arm will rise to the top. Allow time for the print to drip excess resin back into the resin tank. Use the metal scraping tool to take off prints from the bill plate, which easily come off. In case of small items being printed, the 3D Wash comes with a basket to hold smaller pieces during the wash cycle. Place the items into the 3D Wash and close shut. The 3D Wash comes with preset options for each resin. Select the appropriate resin, then click on the arrow in the top right corner to start the wash cycle. Alternatively, if your system is networked, you can also select the job that is just printed. The 3D Wash uses 99% isopropanol alcohol. While the model is washing, clean the build plate with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure to wipe off any resin on the build plate. Make sure there is no isopropyl alcohol left on the piece. You may use an air hose or washcloth to dry off the piece. Once the washing process is finished, it is time to cure the items. Place the printed device inside the 3D cure. Make sure no pieces are touching each other. Gently close the 3D cure and select the appropriate resin and click on the arrow in the top right corner to start the curing process. While the curing is taking place, you can recycle unused resin back inside the bottle. Make sure to filter out any contaminants or solids. Use the silicone scraper to help clean the resin tank. Each resin tank comes with its own lid. You can store resin inside the tank if needed. There are additional accessories available for purchase like this resin cabinet, which neatly stores up to 5 resin tanks. Clean the resin tank with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure to absorb all the resin. Once the curing cycle is finished, your piece can now be handled without gloves. Please advise that the piece may be hot right after the curing process is finished. Inspect the part to ensure all areas of the piece are cured. To shut off the 3D Max, go to the main menu. On the bottom, click Shut Down. The printer will now begin to shut down. Click the button in the back to the off position. Shutting down the 3D Wash and 3D Cure is the same process. At the main menu, click on the cogwheel on the bottom right of the screen. Now, click on the power button on the top left and click the check mark to confirm. Thank you for watching our 3D digital printing unboxing and getting started video. Let us know if we could help.